But some could get a man with a gas stove.
Yeah.
I take up one with one coal stove.
Yeah.
I mean, I tell you.
Yeah.
The boy buy a gas stove, he don't stop hype on me. He don't stop hype on me when I buy a gas stove. I'm take him up with one bicycle. One wheel left on the next wheel rotten. And she go buy one bike now. Send me too old, you can go on the bike back and go find a younger woman than me. I'm take him up a bicycle, him have coal stove, me a cook pan. And the boy buy one 4-burner gas stove. He switch. The man how make them stay so.
No.
You can't stick to the woman. Then we take on up on the lad nothing.
Yeah.
Stick to the woman we taking up on a 2-suit man.
Yeah.
I want to can change and buy all. I want to have a dozen suit now.
Yeah, girl.
Hyper find the type of woman there. Remember the one who never they have nothing. We wash the one pants every day. And they wash other pants. And the one other pants.
Give me the right one.
Have money, I have money.
Dummy. You think dummy is the right one for me?
Oh, dummy alive. Dummy have money. Dummy have money, Jerry. Dummy, him.
Yeah.
You love him. Love him. I'm not picking for him. People don't know. Dummy have to come introduce himself. Dummy come and analyze you. Dummy check him out. You have money. You have about 10 million US. Because if you want she, you have to give me. You're a pimp. You have to give me
PIMP.
You're a pimp. You can't fuck her too hot. Let me shot when you do it. Kick out that. You fuck me girl so hot.
How are you doing? How are you? I'm kicking you.
She's the bride of Jack Killer. She's the bride of Jack. If you ever take better from me, you have to give me 2 million US, you know. I mean, yeah, one, I mean, keep one.
Oh.
I'm gonna marry, you know. I say, I love her. She's a loving girl, you know. A good girl. You know, I want you for rich, you know. You know what? She had the man who beat her.
Yeah.
I dead.
Yeah, alright. Yeah.
You know, fuck with me head, you know. Love Bella fine. I'm a collect. Me's a pimp. I'm a shotgun.
How much money is it? Much million is it?
2 million US, one female and one for Bella.
One for Bella. You cannot have her just like that. Chris.
So Jerry,
I love him to I have a breeder.
Jerry.
No, 10.
No, you will get a 10 pitney. I'm coming out her home.
So Jerry,
Yes.
you ever meet a spouse, see Bella?
Hey, Jerry. Leave.
You ever met a significant one?
Well, I'm not answer.
No, don't answer it.
No, I answer. I can't answer.
No,
Yeah.
No, Jerry.
No, hold on.
No, don't say that. No, that, no.
Hold on, no answer
No,
that.
don't answer it.
Bella, come here, Isabella.
Please, don't answer. Jerome?
Yes.
No.
Stop calling me that. No, stop calling me.
No, don't answer. I'll tell him next
So,
question.
alright, yo, no, next question.
No, that's
so you don't have no man.
Jerry, please.
Answer the question, Jerry.
Jerry, answer the question.
Sustain, hold on. Yo. Better have a
Jerome.
I can't answer.
Thank you.
My boss, my manager.
All of my tappers, them thank you.
What you say? You man a come then. $5 for what?
No, for this year.
For what?
When my fat pumps come open and my pants in my baggy. $5 for that Ross.
Eh?
And I must. I don't 5 6 I pay them the big money that I collect for and they won't like that for me. For me, I'm a picnic.
As of your pussy there.
Of course. Who will like that for me? That me I tell you. Look at them family prayer right now. Yeah, no, family prayer right now. And someone want buy a book from me. Family prayer now, but someone want buy a book from me. 5,000 me I charge them. I'm just do them and get that quick. I'm going to simple that.
So man buy pussy for you? Man buy pussy for you?
Oh.
You, man buy pussy for you?
Of course.
Eh?
Look at me to say, Bobby Daddy buy from me. I'm seriously me telling you.
5,000 gear?
Of course, 5,000 I believe him. We have black up in a billboard. I'll give Daddy buy from me. I mean, not say nothing. I'm done there. I'll give Daddy buy from me. I mean, not say nothing.
I said dash her a cigarette.
What?
Dash her a cigarette.
When I dash you a bar.
Boy, yeah, sell pussy 5,000 now.
Oh, look here. Me tell you, I want to me. Look here, I want to me now to turn a weed. Cause we're dangerous. Not your blood. You can't wait. Me not touch it. It's alright.
No man, no pussy 5,000.
What ya?
No man,
What ya? I do look here. I will look here. I will let the yellow. This will let the yellow do a man. Me tell April, look at the big do it with me. And the 5,000 and charge them. Every one of them. And the money I pay them. And me charge him to me make 5,000 upon and 5,000 I pay me.
Hello, miss, play a song.
I feel like Franco to big do it. What I feel like?
Beat it for your pussy.
Say no girl not
I'm
sit
my
up for no
pussy.
man.
Better I want the blood tap the
sit up,
shit.
beat no for no man who
Yeah,
want
but
pussy
beat it
or
for
not.
pussy. Me.
You dey for your own,
Yeah,
Mr. Man.
Let me say to you, sir, please can we make love out there, you fuck yourself. Not beating to your skin.
No, a real woman not gonna get a pussy.
You know what I
She not gonna show the pussy from her man. Believe you
say?
me.
You're not a man.
She not gonna
I'm
tell
my
you no.
pussy.
She not gonna tell you no. She
I'm
not gonna tell you.
mine.
Yeah, that's why she not gonna tell you no ever.
I'm say, please can we make love, honey? You want more for
I'm
do?
not gonna give you.
You better. It's a beat you get for it.
Yeah, and you can't raise a hand too.
Yeah, man.
You can't raise a hand because
I'm a girl this
remember,
in Bella. Bella.
Remember,
Mr.
say it's a man
Answer.
of empathy.
Please can we make love,
Remember, say
honey?
it's a man of empathy. I ever is a
I'm
man
my
of sorrows
pussy
and all
is
of
not
this.
here.
Remember that how you talk
The
and all
cocky.
that stuff.
The cocky are yours. The pussy are mine. Remember, me tell you these things.
You dey buy me papers for pussy?
It's your business.
You dey buy me
I
papers
broke
for
up your
pussy?
blood clot.
You dey buy me papers for
It's your
pussy?
business. Me don't care.
That's why I don't come around here so often.
But Bella, me say to her as a gentleman, please can we make love, honey? Me move
What
on
you
to say.
mean? You're nicer that way than you're wetter that way than Jenny. Jerry, you're wet.
Hey, stop dictating me. Dictating for nothing.
Jerry!
I'm in the boat there, I want you. I want him to the aquarium now.
I want to that man here.
Bella, me say to her,
I'm
say,
not there on the side
Bella,
right
me say to
about
her,
you.
oh, stop dictating me. Me say, please, can we make love, honey? Where's me for say? He said, please, can you?
May I draw for draws?
It's down for me,
May I
pussy.
draw for draws?
Don't
I
take
said
it.
that.
I'm not going to take it out. I don't want trouble the draws. Don't trouble the baggy.
Yes, me go
I
always
no,
give it
no,
a
me
pussy.
don't
So what is the
want trouble
problem
it.
behind it?
I don't want trouble the baggy. It's my baggy.
No, so what the reason behind it, Jerry?
The baggy, I'm tear it off.
If you say you want the pussy, please, I'm gonna give it a
Please,
pussy,
can we make love, honey? And that me saying.
Yeah.